Here's how you can permanently disable live photos on your iPhone camera. So if you're looking to completely turn off the live photo feature every time you snap a photo on your iPhone, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through exactly how to do it. Make sure to stick around until the end to see how it's done. Alright guys, once you open up your iPhone camera app, you'll notice an icon in the top right corner that lets you toggle live photos on or off. By default, this feature might already be enabled or disabled, and tapping that icon will let you switch it temporarily. But that's just a short-term fix. If you want to turn off the live photos feature permanently, here's what you need to do. Go ahead and open your settings app. From there, scroll down and look for the camera settings. If you're having trouble finding it, just use the search bar at the top and type in camera. In this case, I found it just below the photos option, so let's tap on camera. Once you're in, you'll see various options to adjust your camera settings. What you need to do now is tap on preserve settings. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see an option for live photo. Go ahead and turn that switch off. And that's pretty much it. That's how you permanently disable the live photo feature on your iPhone's camera app. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and take care.